Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I've just recovered from one of the biggest shocks of my life. By accident, I have deleted my YouTube videos. Actually, I was trying to delete only one, but I didn't know that I had selected the entire page of my YouTube videos. So when I just pressed delete button, all my videos got deleted. And as you know, it is literally not possible to recover the deleted videos on YouTube. So I really panicked. I didn't know what to do because in total I think I had deleted around 30 videos. Fortunately, I got a fix, and in today's video I just want to show you how to recover the deleted videos. First of all, you'll need to have the URL links of the deleted videos, which you'll not be able to get if you have not shared them on other social media platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, etc. You'll also be able to retrieve them from the internet browser history if you have not cleared it. Fortunately for me, I could retrieve the links of almost all the videos that I have deleted by accident from WhatsApp, Facebook, and my internet browser history. Yesterday I could recover 20 videos, and today I'm going to try 9 more videos because I have got the links from those sources for these 9 videos as well. Once you have got the link of the videos that you have accidentally deleted, you should open the notepad and paste it there. All the links you can paste it there and copy them. Now select all. I'll just copy this, Control C, and now next step is we'll have to go to our YouTube Studio from the browser. So Google Chrome, I'll open Google Chrome, then I'll go to YouTube. Okay, now account, and I'll have to go to YouTube Studio. So by the way, I hope you're able to follow my cursor because I'm a visually impaired, and then I'm using the screen reading software to navigate on the screen. So I use the keyboard shortcuts to navigate around. So now I have opened the YouTube Studio. Now we'll have to go to the help button. Okay, this is the one, help. Now help panel is opened. Now we have to navigate around with tab. The option that I'm looking for is, okay, search help. And here we'll have to write profit. Okay. So YouTube non-profit program overview. Here you have to click, and now go to dedicated technical support. Here you'll have to click or press enter. Okay, now where I have to go is get in touch with us. Here you have to press enter. Okay, now chat with creator support. Okay, this is what I want. This is the YouTube AI assistant. I'll have to choose the issue. So there are few options like monetization, copyright issues, something else. I have to choose something else because my issue is not listed here. My issue is to recover my deleted videos, so something else. Okay, so just a second. So it's saying please wait while a YouTube support specialist joins. Okay, now the YouTube tech support specialist has joined. This is AI. So now here I'll have to type I want to recover the accidentally deleted videos videos whose links are below. So I can paste here all the links. Okay, now and press enter. My AI assistant is Rob, so he's typing. I don't know what he's typing now. Okay, I understand that you want to recover your videos. That's what Rob is saying. Okay, Rob is typing again. So again, okay. No worries. Let me see what I can do to help. So he's working. The technical support specialist will ask a few questions which we have to respond. So I'll show you how we have to do that. Okay, please give me a few minutes to check the videos in question. So definitely he will get few minutes from me. Please don't say that you can't recover my videos. I badly need them, because yesterday, instead of just selecting one video, I had by accident selected the bulk video, all the videos. So I think I lost about 30 videos in total from one page. I really need those videos back. I really have learned a big lesson out of this, because now while deleting a particular video, I'll have to double check whether I have selected that particular video or I have selected all. So yesterday I had a very tough time. It was one of the biggest shocks of my life. I didn't know what to do initially, and then I had a long chat with ChatGPT on this matter, and finally I could figure out how to recover them, thanks to such an option. At least there is an alternative option to do that. Otherwise, there is no way we can recover deleted videos from YouTube. Good news! I was able to check the videos in question, and I can go ahead and reinstate them. That's a good news. I'm reading with the screen reader software, so you might think that, oh, I'm not a good reader, I'm not good at reading. But when we, the visually impaired people, read with screen reader, we'll have to first listen to what the screen reader says, and then we'll have to repeat after them. So it takes time. Before I proceed, please answer the following question. So he's going to ask me, please certify that you are the owner of these videos. Definitely it's me, yes. We just have to type yes and enter. Okay. Now again he's going to ask me some more questions. Again he's asking me to mark yes if I really want YouTube to reinstate my videos. Otherwise, why should I reinstate somebody else's videos? Yes. So now he has given me this statement. So I'll have to copy this to the extent something. Okay. So this is the affirmation statement. So I'll have to copy this entire thing, entire paragraph, and paste it here in the response field, and I have to fill up here name. Within the bracket they have given name, full name. So here I have to type my name, Amrit BTR Subba. This is like my signature. And date. You have to write the date. You have to delete the word date and then type in the real date. Today is 06/09/2022. 2025. So 6th September 2025. Okay, so let me press enter here now. So this means that I'm giving the YouTube the permission to reinstate my videos. Okay, let me see now. This is the final step, I think. So once I have submitted this affirmation statement, my videos will be reinstated. Rob is saying thank you, so that means now he is working on reinstating the videos. Please give me another few minutes to process this for you. You're most welcome. Good news! I have reinstated the videos in question and should now be up and running on your channel. What a good news. Now let me check whether I have got my videos back. Let me go back to the deleted video links, copy one of the video links and open browser here and paste, and let me open it. Wow, now it has come. See, this video was deleted. This was one of the videos that I had deleted by accident. Now it has come. What a good news! This is how we should recover our accidentally deleted videos. I hope you might have learned something from this. Thank you so much.